Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you're all doing well. My dear student, today's lecture is going to be very practical and interesting. We will apply what we learned in the last few lectures about chain square rules and sub-energy levels and principle of filling electrons like Afro principle, Pauli exclusion principles, Home rules. But dear student, today's our topic is electronic configurations of first 18 elements. But dear student, we will go step by step from hydrogens 1 to argon 18. From start, before start, let's recall uh, some key rules. First one is 2n square rules mean maximum electrons in a shell. And the second one is S sublevels holds 2 electrons, P sublevels holds 6 electrons, and D holds 10 electrons, while F holds 14 electrons. And electrons shall in this order mean 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, and so on. Now let's start that what is electronic configurations of first 18 elements. My dear student, the first one is hydrogens have 1 electrons. So configuration is 1 is 1. And the second one is helium. Helium have 2 electrons and its electronic configuration as 1 is 2. And the third one is lithium have 3 electrons and its configuration as 1 is 2, 2 is 1. Now the fourth one is beryllium have 4 electrons as a configuration as 1 is 2 and 2 is 2. The fifth one is boron have 5 electrons configurations as 1 is 2, 2 is 2 and 2p1. And the sixth one is carbon have 6 electrons configurations as 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p2. Now the seventh one is nitrogen have 7 electrons and the configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p3. And eighth one is oxygen have 8 electrons and its configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p4. And number 9 is fluorine have 9 electrons and its configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2 and 2p5. Now the number 10 is neon have 10 electrons and its configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6. Number 11 is sodium. Sodium have 11 electrons and its configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 1. And number 12 is magnesium have 12 electrons have 12 electrons and the configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 2. Now the number 13 is aluminium have 13 electrons its configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 2, 3p1. Number 14 is silicon have 14 electrons and its configuration as 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 2, 3p2. Number 15 as phosphorus have 15 electrons and its configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p3. Now, number 16 as sulfur have 16 electrons and its configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Number 17 as chlorine have 17 electrons and its configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. And number 18 as argon have 13 electrons at its configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. My dear student, this is a electronic configurations of first 18 elements. These electrons are filled on the basis of a principle, Pauli exclusion principle, and Ohm's rules. So, this is all about today's lectures. I hope you all understand. My dear student, if these lectures help you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channels and press the bell icons and comment your questions or any doubt below, and also share it with your friends. Take care, and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.